Hello, my dear ones. My name is Alexandra Sokolova from Mersin, Mersin Real Estate Agency, Turkey. Today we will take a look at a complex with 2+1 apartments in the Tece area. This is our young residential area, a gasified area, and this complex has received an iskan, which means it has been approved by the commission, and soon people will be able to live here. Many of the apartments are already being prepared, and soon people will be able to live here. Many of the apartments here are already being prepared. Here the 2+1 apartments are 69 square meters gross, with 58 square meters of usable space featuring 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. What's interesting is that these apartments can be purchased in installments even though the building has already been completed, that it is already practically finished and you can actually move in already. You can buy it with an interest-free installment plan for up to 15 months. Installments are available in euros, dollars, and Russian rubles. Below in the info box under the video, you will find our WhatsApp phone number. Contact us and we'll send you the details, floor plans, and price lists. Few apartments left. See residents and apartments, check work. Let's see how people are settling in and what the apartments look like that are being handed over by the developers and how much work is still left to be done on the property. Let's go. They are planting here green plantings, beautiful palm trees. The building consists of 7 floors. Even on the ground floors there are balconies. There will be a swimming pool, parking, and a generator on the property. And by the way, the location is very convenient. That's all there is to it. It's only 450 10 meters to a beautiful sandy beach. And there's also a market nearby on Saturdays. All the shops, all the supermarkets, ATMs, and so on, and bus stops. Here's the courtyard for the cars. The entrance has a ramp. And let's go take a look. And here are such beautiful marble stairs. 2 elevators, marble stairs. 2 elevators. The elevators are already working. We have 4 apartments on this floor. Teja. This is a gasified area, so the gas piping is already installed in the entrance. Here are the owners. They're preparing their apartment. The apartment is sold. An air conditioner and a boiler have been installed. Prepared bedroom. I want to emphasize that there's 1 bathroom, but it's a good size. There's a separate space for the washing machine. And here are the people. Washing machines? Well, here are the people already settling into their apartments, are already moving in their apartments. There is piping for the radiators. I'll show you an example of how the apartment is being prepared. Here the appliances have already been installed. The electricity has been done. The developer doesn't do that. They also made a custom cabinet and also the wallpaper, and the room space has been increased by combining it with the balcony. They installed frameless glazing. It looks really cool like this. Here's a built-in wardrobe like this. Plenty of storage space. There's also a place where it's hidden. A storage, water heater. The sea is close, just 450 meters away. All the infrastructure is nearby, and it's actually a very good location. The apartments here are very cozy. For a small family, bedroom 1, the bathroom, and look at how cool you can play around with this space for the washing machine. Here's such beauty. It could be yours. I'll show you the interest-free installment plan for 15 months, how the apartment options look as the developer rents them out. This is our area, the hallway. Kitchen, living room, one area naturally, everything is in film. Developers do not do cleaning after construction. We help with the complete setup of the apartment, providing a full range of services for apartment improvement. For cleaning, electrical work, furniture and appliance installation, curtains, internet, communications, and so on. Everything you need for the improvement of your apartment. We will provide it as part of the after-sales service. These are the 2+1 apartments. After-sales service. These are the 2+1 apartments in a new completed building. I want to emphasize that the Iskan house has been received. You can prepare the apartment to live. It's also possible, and it's really nice that there's a small balcony in the bedroom. I hope you liked the offer. Let me remind you that I always leave all the details in the info box under the video. Come in, look, read, visit our website. We have current offers there. Write to us on phone 20. We have sent you similar options or those that suit your conditions. Thank you for watching and for subscribing. I love you all and see you in the next video. Bye bye.